Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear system data on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone space is run out and now you want to clear your space or, or you want to clear your system data, so let's see how we can do that. You have to simply open settings app, and now in settings just go to general and go to iPhone storage, and you'll get your iPhone storage here. You might see this system data is taking more space on my iPhone. So let's see how can you clear your system data. So basically, in your iPhone, there's not any directory or any way to clear your system data. It might include your system file. So if you want to try to delete this data, it will corrupt your complete software. So I recommend you have to don't try to delete IS or system data anywhere. Or if you want to clear storage, so there are some steps which might help you to clear storage. So the first thing is that you just have to look for the apps or unnecessary apps which you don't use. Let's say I'm gonna select this one, just swipe it to the left and you might get the delete option, or you can also tap on that app and you will get two options here, the offload and delete. If you wanna offload your app, it will deactivate your app, but your app will be installed on your phone. Or I recommend you have to try to delete apps, so it will help you to get more space on your iPhone. After doing that, you have to simply go back, go to Photos app, and you have to try to clear your Photos app from unnecessary photos. Or you can also do a one more step, open your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, select iCloud from here, and try to select photos and sync your complete iPhone photos. So once you have synced your iPhone photos, you have to delete your photos from your photos app. Your iPhone photos will be backed up so you can easily get them whenever you need. So after deleting your photos, you just have to go to your files app, and in files you have to check all over your files app in on my iPhone section. So you have to make sure that you haven't any unnecessary folder and unnecessary files. So you have to try to delete them. After doing this, you have to simply go to your settings app again. Now this time you just have to scroll down, look for apps section, select that. Further scroll down, look for your browser. In my case, I'm gonna select Safari browser here. Just scroll down and look for the option of clear history and website data. Just select this option, then enable this close all tabs, then tap on clear history. You can select the time frame. It might be last hour, today and yesterday, or I'm gonna select all history to clear all over my history. Just select clear history. So it might clear all the website history and your browser cache from your iPhone. So this step might help you to get more space on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.